a truckload of careers to explore. The Be Pro, Be Proud SC tractor trailer pulled into Whale Branch Early College High School, giving students the opportunity to learn hands-on about several different careers in the trade industry.
Behind the Be Pro, Be Proud SC program, we have this mobile facility that we take around the schools, middle schools and high schools, and expose these students into getting involved with skill trades.
The mobile workshop is equipped with simulators and virtual reality activities, showing students the types of skills they need for different careers.
I did the forklift. It was a little difficult because I had to figure out how to pull it up and put it down. Driving it is like you have to whip it harder than an actual car.
The truck driving. Oh yeah, I could do this for a living. So I tried it to see if I could do it, and I had like it. I didn't crash. It was easy. Like if you know how to drive, you could really do that, but like it's kind of hard at the same time because like the wheel is bigger and it shakes, and then you got to check your mirror every 10 seconds to see how it is.
While on the truck, students also learned about employment opportunities in the trades industry.
The more skills you have, the more money you're going to make, the more marketable you are, and the more valuable you are.
A lot of these students and parents as well have no idea how much money you can make with these skilled trades. We've been pushed or told that we have to go to college to be successful, and that's not really the case these days. And we want to give this option, provide them this option, whether they take it and run with it or not. That's for them. They choose what they want to do as a career. For us, if they're interested, we tell them how.
The students enjoyed being on the truck and learning about different options they could pursue after high school.
So I think it's a good idea and how they built the truck to show simulators inside so the students can know what they want to do when they get out of school, and how the average salary is and how much money they can be making for doing this as a job.
The event was hosted by the high school in the Career and Technical Education Department. At Whale Branch Early College High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.